When it comes to metalworking, you'll need some perfect, durable, and convenient tools in your toolbox. With a set of consummate metalworking tools, your commercial or household requirements will be fulfilled perfectly without much effort. If you can't choose the ideal one for your individual requirements, you'll face too many working issues. So, we have made up a video on 7 must-have metalworking tools to ease your decision. So without further ado, let's get into the video.
From DIY projects to product reviews and hacks, Tool Zone is where we test all sorts of gear to offer the most unbiased reviews you'll find anywhere, so that you can make well-informed purchase decisions while avoiding getting ripped off.
A metalworker must need a tough and sturdy metal cutter shear to ease his daily work. Presenting the WEN 3650 Metal Cutter Shear, which is a lightweight and powerful machine that cuts through any angle or direction. Having a pressure-sensitive trigger, this metal cutter is capable of cutting 0 to 2500 strokes per minute to intensify your work. Built in with a powerful 4-amp motor, this cutter shear does both cut and curl the metal up to 20-gauge stainless steel and 18-gauge sheet metal to provide tireless performance during cutting. For its lightweight impact, this metal cutter can relieve you from exhaustion due to action. And to replete the needs of any project perfectly, it includes a formula of 360-degree swiveling head rotations. After all, this WEN 3650 Metal Cutter Shear is a price and quality considered product for you to complete any professional steelwork. At industrial places, a benchtop drill press machine is one kind of mandatory item. Introducing Built-Hard Drill Press, one of the most compact and reliable drill machines that you will ever find in this marketplace. Constructed at a small size with a 2.4 ampere induction motor, this bench drill press machine is capable of drilling sheet metal, wood, and plastics. Its 5 operating modes provides variable speeds to the drill machine, which can reach different levels of RPMs and lets you set the exact speed for your project. To ensure durability and a better user experience, this drill machine has a compact frame and 45 degrees beveling work table, which works comparatively better than regular cordless drill machines. To mount onto a bench or a work stand, there are pre-drilled holes situated at the base of this drill machine. In summary, the Built-Hard Drill Press is an ideal product with a compact design, much durability, and is consumable for your household or commercial purpose. High-powered, efficient, and compact. Meet the PORTERCABLE PC750AG angle grinder that comes with advanced features with exceptional durability. Built with double 7.5 ampere motors, this angle grinder is capable of operating up to 10,000 RPM, which can cut rebar and concrete, removes rust and paint, grinds welding beads, and all. Constructed by cast metal, the gearbox of this angle grinder provides extraordinary durable performance. For prominent control in various positions, the grinder includes a 3-position adjustable side handle, which is pretty soft and allows you to have comfortable grasp of the grinder. Additionally, this angle grinder has a spindle lock feature for single wrench bit changes. Overall, if you're searching for a safe and versatile angle grinder for your professional needs, the PORTERCABLE PC750AG angle grinder is exactly what you require. Looking for a sharper and faster metal cutting saw? Introducing the Milwaukee 278220 M18 circular cutting saw that delivers the fastest cuts with the longest tool life. This metal cutting saw is a lightweight and compact tool that has been built up with a brushless motor which delivers the fastest cutting with 3900 RPMs. This cutting saw also features RedLink Plus Intelligence, the most advanced system for cordless metal tools for maximum performance and incomparable durability. With the M18 Red Lithium XC 5.0 battery pack, this circular saw delivers up to 370 cuts in 3/4 inch EMT, which is 1 cut per minute for over 6 hours straight. To increase control and easy operating, this circular cutting saw features a compact and low-profile design. In essence, the Milwaukee 278220 M18 circular cutting saw is a heavy-duty cutter packed with lots of advanced features, and you can purchase it without any hesitation. To nibble metal sheets, you would need a smooth working and convenient tool. So here comes the Makita Jn1601, a sheet metal nibbler that comes with more features in its class to enhance your work. With an ergonomic and thin build structure, this metal nibbler becomes so comfortable to grip and precisely works in keystone plate, deck plate, and other corrugated sheet materials. It comes with an extremely lightweight and handy impression and 360 degrees rotation, which makes it easy to operate and for uninterrupted action. For constant performance and stable working conditions, this metal nibbler has a lock-on sliding switch and a built-in thickness gauge for beneficial uses. In short, this Makita Jn1601 sheet metal nibbler is a reliable, ergonomic metal nibbler that you should go for. More powerful, versatile, and cordless. Talking about the Dewalt DCG426B Die Grinder, which is a highly recommended tool for random uses to professionals. Assembled with DEWALT built brushless motor, this grinder supplies well-organized performance and better runtime during grinding. Having up to 25,000 RPM with a variable speed trigger, this machine ensures great outcomes and heavy grinding. The built-in LED situated at the nose of the grinder helps to light up the dark areas while working. Built with several hand gripping options with a dual position rocker, this grinder machine provides you with a painless working experience. In summary, if you're a professional metal worker and need a cordless, durable, and sturdy grinder machine for your outdoor and daily needs, you must have the Dewalt DCG426B Die Grinder. Introducing the DEKOPRO welding machine, a convenient, powerful, and reliable welding machine for professional metal workers. Due to its advanced IGBT inverter technology, this welder machine is competent for welding mild, stainless steel, and cast iron too. Made of steel frame along with a portable design and easy carrying handle makes this welding machine effortless to translate or store. Coming with closed-loop feedback control and stable output voltage, it shows a heavy-duty electricity networking adapting power. With an extraordinary energy-conserving result, this welding machine increases the wielding frequency and lessens the damage of copper and iron to provide efficient energy. Overall, the DEKOPRO welding machine is a must-have tool for your household or commercial purposes due to its low cost, easy carrying, and powerful impacts. So that was a list of the 7 must-have metal tools just for you.
Thanks for watching. We always crave to learn more. If you think we missed a product or should add it, we would love to know.
Thanks for watching our video. Like, comment, and share with your friends if you found this video helpful. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this on your feed.